In this video, Interesting Home presents a touch of Tiffany, transforming living spaces. In the realm of interior design, color plays a pivotal role, not only influencing the visual impact of a space but also swaying people's moods and psychological states. Speaking of classic hues, Tiffany blue stands out as an emblematic presence. Originating from the iconic packaging of the American jewelry brand Tiffany & Company, since 1886, Tiffany blue has become synonymous with elegance, luxury, and aspiration. Integrating this hue into interior design elevates the ambience of spaces, infusing them with a fresh and refined aura that subtly awakens yearnings for a better life. Tiffany blue, a unique shade that lies between light blue and green with a subtle gray undertone, is reminiscent of the tender first rays of sunlight on the sea or the soft new leaves of spring gently swaying in the breeze. Skillfully incorporating this color into interior design creates an atmosphere that is both romantic and modern. Imagine stepping through your door to be greeted by a splash of Tiffany blue, a magical element that instantly dissipates the outside world's clamor and fatigue, allowing your spirit to unwind and rejuvenate. The living room, being the heart of family activities, is an ideal setting to showcase the charm of Tiffany blue. Choose one wall to paint this color, making it a focal point that enhances the space's depth and infuses it with a refreshing vitality. If you're concerned that extensive use of Tiffany blue might make the space appear monotonous, balance it with metallic accents such as gold or silver decor like lamps, picture frames, or side tables, which will shimmer more brilliantly against the Tiffany backdrop. For those who prefer a low-key luxurious style, Tiffany blue can serve as an accent color, subtly woven into the space through furniture, curtains, cushions, or rugs. For example, a Tiffany blue velvet sofa paired with gray or beige walls maintains harmony while reflecting the homeowner's pursuit of quality living. Curtains and cushions featuring delicate patterns like flowers, butterflies, or geometric shapes in Tiffany blue and white fabrics add elegance and romance to the interior. The kitchen and dining area, where families share meals and laughter, can also benefit from Tiffany blue. Cabinets or tile backsplashes in Tiffany blue contrast beautifully with white countertops and stainless steel appliances, enhancing modernity without sacrificing warmth. A bunch of pale pink or white flowers on the table complements Tiffany blue dinnerware, creating a dreamy yet tasteful dining environment. The bedroom, a private sanctuary for relaxation and rest, can embrace softer forms of Tiffany blue, such as a delicately painted headboard wall or bed linens and curtains in lighter shades. Paired with wooden or wicker furniture and cotton linen textiles, the space becomes exceptionally serene and comfortable, inviting peaceful slumber every night. The bathroom, an essential space for daily grooming, can be refreshed with a touch of Tiffany blue. Whether it's the wall tiles or shower curtain, using this hue makes the bathroom uniquely appealing. Coupled with bright lighting and mirrors, the space feels more spacious and bright, offering a complete cleansing and relaxation ritual at the start and end of each day. In summary, Tiffany blue, as a classic color, represents not just fashion and luxury but also an embodiment of lifestyle. Integrating Tiffany blue into interior design is not only an exploration of chromatic aesthetics, but also a pursuit of a beautiful way of life. Through meticulous design and coordination, Tiffany blue can transform a home into a true haven, a space filled with love and dreams, allowing residents to experience the extraordinary in everyday life. The following image depicts a living room design inspired by Tiffany blue, showcasing how this color can be elegantly integrated into home interiors. Tiffany blue, a shade so distinct and beloved, has become synonymous with elegance and luxury. Its history is as captivating as the color itself, rooted deeply in the legacy of Charles Louis Tiffany, the visionary founder of Tiffany & Company, whose innovations and artistic sensibilities transformed the jewelry industry and left an indelible mark on fashion and design. In 1837, Charles Louis Tiffany opened his first store in New York City, selling stationery and fancy goods. The store soon gained a reputation for its exquisite taste and quality, leading Tiffany to expand into the sale of jewelry and silverware. In 1853, Tiffany took over the company, renaming it Tiffany & Company and establishing it as a purveyor of fine jewelry and precious objects. The company's ascent to the pinnacle of luxury was marked by its selection as the official supplier of the United States government during the Civil War, providing swords and other military decorations. It was during this period that Tiffany began to develop its signature blue, a color that would later come to symbolize the brand. The exact origin of Tiffany blue remains somewhat shrouded in mystery, but it is believed to have been inspired by the color of the French robin's egg, which was considered a symbol of fertility and new life. The hue was first featured prominently in Tiffany's Blue Book, an annual catalog showcasing the company's finest creations. The Blue Book, published since 1845, became a staple in the homes of the elite, eagerly awaited each year for its lavish displays of jewelry and artistry. The iconic color gained even greater prominence when Tiffany & Company chose it for the cover of the Blue Book in 1878. The shade, officially known as Tiffany Blue, was registered by the company as a trademark in 1998, solidifying its status as a proprietary color. It was the first color ever to be trademarked by a company in the United States, a testament to its uniqueness and the brand's commitment to preserving its identity. Tiffany Blue has since adorned everything from packaging to advertising, becoming an instantly recognizable symbol of the Tiffany & Company brand. The color is carefully guarded by the company, with its exact formula known only to a select few. This secrecy adds to the allure of the hue, which is meticulously applied to all official Tiffany products, ensuring consistency and maintaining the high standards of quality that the brand is known for. The story of Tiffany Blue is not just about a color. It is a narrative of innovation, craftsmanship, and enduring legacy. From its humble beginnings in a small shop in New York to its current status as a global icon, Tiffany Blue embodies the essence of Tiffany & Company, a blend of tradition and modernity, luxury and artistry, all wrapped up in a single unforgettable shade.